Hi guys, it is week 61 on Tirzepatide, and I'm kind of in a hurry today, but I wanted to give you a quick update before I head out. I actually have a doctor's appointment this morning for myself, so but I wanted to give you a quick update on the last week before I go. And if you are new here, my name is Carrie, and I am a now 55-year-old nurse practitioner. I have been on Tirzepatide since May 2nd of 2025. Hit my goal weight about 5 months ago. My starting weight on Tirzepatide was 202.2 pounds, and my goal weight was 147. I hit that around about February, and I've been at maintenance since then, staying in a range. My goal so it was to stay in the range between 145 and 150. Last week, however, I was at 151. So did I come back down? I'll tell you in just a second. And my highest ever weight was about 20 years ago. I was close to 265, somewhere in that range, maybe 263, something like that. I've spent most of my adult life in the 190 to 210 range, sometimes going a little bit above that, sometimes a little bit low, more often above than below though, definitely. And I am taking 7 milligrams these days, but I split my dose in half. I take part on Thursday, actually not half, but I split it part on Thursday and part on Monday, and that's working really good to keep my side effects at bay, that headache that I was getting when I took it all at once. So, and this week has actually been pretty good. Last week, like I said, was week 60, and I weighed in at 151. But it had been a crazy week with a lot of stuff going on, including a birthday and an anniversary and spending time with family. This week has been Father's Day though, and I actually made my husband a cake for Father's Day, and we went out, and let me go show you the cake. Come on into my kitchen with me here. All right, so I made my husband a lemon cake. This is the cake his mother used to always make for him when he was young, and he loves it, and his mom's not with us anymore. So now I make it for him, especially for Father's Day. And his birthday is actually next week, and I'll make him a cheesecake for next week, because that's his favorite, homemade cheesecake with strawberries. So even with Father's Day, that half that cake is gone. I only had 2 pieces, only 2 since Father's Day. So that's what, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Thursday doesn't count yet because it's still morning. I might give in, but honestly, it's pretty easy for me to resist that cake because I don't really like it. The sugar's good because sugar always feels good, but I don't really love it. But he does, so I make it for him at least once a year. And for Father's Day, we also went out for Indian food, and I had chicken tikka masala. I ate half of my meal because I was done, and I brought it home, and we had leftovers for dinner the next night, so I didn't have to cook 2 nights in a row, which was pretty awesome. This week, I might back down. This morning, I'm at 147.5, right smack dab, right in the middle of my goal range of 145 to 150. So I didn't panic last week when I hit 151 because I knew that it was mostly water weight. There was no way I ate that 10,000 calories extra on top of what my body actually expended. There was no way I ate that much. So I didn't panic. I just went back to eating sensibly, mostly. I did have a couple of pieces of cake. We went out to dinner one night, but the water weight, it was just water weight. It came right off. Actually, by Saturday, I was down into the 148s, something like that, 2 days after that 151. So not a big deal. So how is the summer going for you guys? Are you maintaining? Are you losing? Are you giving in to the treats of summer and putting on? Tell me how it's going below. And if you haven't seen my video that came out this week about gray market GLP-1s, you definitely want to go ahead and check that out. There's a lot of great information in there. And we're getting some good discussion from people in the comments who are actually using gray market GLP-1s to get perspective from some people who are actually using it. So be sure and check out that video too. Be sure to hit like and subscribe so you can keep following along and see if I'm able to maintain this maintenance window with a birthday coming up and another big party for the 4th of July. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a great week, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.